This is Flare Fitness brake pad replacement. I'm using a 10mm spanner to take this off. Now you need to get an Allen key that fits that head and take this out. Some of these screws can be badly seized, so you need to get a grinder and grind it off. And then you replace the screw with this screw here. Then you change the brake pad. With this screw, you push it back in there. When you're putting the brake pad back on again, make sure that your resistance lever is pulled up and get something to hold it in place. You just set it on there like that. Tighten up your bolts. That's your brake pad replaced.